Hello there, YouTube. Today is Wednesday, January 8th. It's my day off, so I'm out for a spin. It's a pretty good day. Little chillier. I think it's warming up now. I didn't bring my mesh jacket. It's 65 now, but it was in the probably 50s when I left. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do. I got this warm jacket on. It's the wind doesn't get through it, and I got my really light pair of rain pants on. I can always shed that, but I left my mesh jacket in the house or in the garage, so I might just have to unzip it if it gets too warm. It's not too bad on the highway, but if I slow down, it's going to be a little bit warmer. Anyway, what a great day, though. It's a beautiful sunny day, 65 degrees. And I'm not working. Woohoo! What a good day. So I'm out for a spin. Don't really have a topic. And I watched another guy's video. He has his he doesn't like the view of the motorcycle here that 90% of other people kind of like, and that I like, because it makes you feel like you're riding someone else's bike too. So he has it on top of his helmet, which is more of the view, and it's fine too. But I really started watching YouTube videos before I even had this, and all the guys were riding and they had the chin mount, and I just loved it because you just felt like you could see their motorcycle, you could see what they're riding, and you could shoot super view, so you could see the scenery as well. But that's my favorite view, and I started watching videos like that, and then I said I want to make videos like that. When people mount them on their windshield, I don't watch them, because you might as well be driving a car. If you're just mounting it up on the front of the bike, and you might as well not even be on a motorcycle, you might as well just be in a car. So people want to see, I want to see what you're riding, and those are the videos I watch. Now sometimes I get a little long-winded, and I don't even finish watching my video, but sometimes when people get long-winded, I don't finish watching them either, because it's a little bit too long. A couple of mine's been 11, but 3 to 5 minutes is probably enough. So anyway, I'll bring it back on when I get up by the water up here. Bye. Yeah, here we go. Crossing the bridge here, and there's a Buchanan Dam right over here. There's a big dam right over there. It blocks up the water from Lake Buchanan, and it drains it down into, I think it's Inks Lake. It's pretty though. A couple dams, wasn't there? One over there. Oh god, there's 3 or 4 of them. I'll be darned, that's pretty cool. Anyway, bye. Look at this place. It's pretty cool. It's like a summer camp thing, but you never see any. Citizens Academy. I'm gonna go down here. There's like beautiful cabins. It's very well kept up. It's on the lake, and you never see anyone in there. Look how well kept that is. It's with the cabins. I'm gonna pull in here. Ooh. This is really pretty. I'll leave it on. Ooh, look at that. Those ducks out there. Anyway, sometimes I fly that. This place is really cool, but it's just there's never anyone here. Oh, there are a bunch of ducks down there. This is really pretty down here. I've flown the drone down here before. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool, the ducks. I guess I'll turn it back on when I get down there. Oh, I'm scaring all the ducks just walking up here. How cool is that? Ooh, gotta watch where I'm going so I don't break my neck. But this is a cool place. I think this is all granite. There's granite all over the place over here. Look how pretty this is here, though. That lighthouse is cool. See, when you fly out there where you got all these big power lines right here, you can fly under them. But I always worried if those are going to interfere. See, look at that place. It's so cool. There's beautiful cabins. It's so well kept, but I've never seen anybody in there and using it. You can see this would be a good place to fly a drone. That lighthouse is pretty. I don't think they use it for anything. It's just for looks. All the ducks are down here where it's warm. I don't know, you probably can't see them out there. There's like a big swarm of them there, a bunch of them right there. They were over here, but I spooked them. Isn't that pretty? Bah.